Today I'm editing your photos, but left-handed. I'm right-handed, and I use a Wacom. Let's get into it. I'm gonna put him back to normal. Like, he's doing a flip right now. Shall I just put him in the grass? Yeah, I'll do that. Well, happy Sunday, first of all. And yeah, today I'm editing your stuff. So I chucked out a little question on Instagram here, asking you guys to send JPEGs, RAWs, PNGs, mostly Google Drive links. That's all you sent me. So yeah, I asked for images. It could be anything. It can be car related, people, landscape. I did get a lot of cars, but I did get some really cool portraiture work. So I'm gonna edit 5 people's works, but left-handed. I'm right-handed, not left-handed. And I use a Wacom. So this is gonna be very hard. Very, very hard. So yeah, jump onto the computer and see what absolute monstrosities I can make with. Oh man, this is gonna suck so much. This is gonna be awful. Okay, so on our screen, 5 folders, 5 people who sent stuff in. So he sent in 2 photos, 2 absolutely killer photos. This one and this one. Like, Bill, what am I meant to do with this, mate? Like, they're already edited. Oh, you shot that on a Canon, didn't you, mate? Look at that. All right, cool. I don't know what to do to this. What's in it? Chuck some blues as well. Oh, a little bit more orange. Nice simple grade. Nice simple grade. Do you know what we should add to it? Smoke. We had smoke. We just add smoke, don't we? That's what I'm going to do to it. Who thought this was going to be a serious video? You thought wrong, Mom. What am I doing with my life? Ugh. Bill, what am I meant to do to this? It's already edited. Bill, come on. Let's just chuck a grad over it. Nope, that doesn't look good. Let's see what grads I've got in here. Oh God, this is so hard. Let's go with that. Okay. I just made it warmer. Let's see if I can just add in a flare maybe. Oh. Green, there we go. Ooh, I like this. Big soft brush. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck, what? And just clear our face off a little bit. Just call me Brandon Waffle or Wof. Oh, with the left hand as well. Before, after. Sorted, number 1, down, done, finished. Perfect. Jimmy. Okay, fuck. Shall I try and place it onto another background? Okay, cool. Let's chuck this in here. Okay. Do you know how easy this would be if I could use my right hand right now? Yep. Oh, balls, he's facing the wrong way. This one. Come on, T, no, oh, fuck. Balls. Right click. Flip horizontal. Okay, which way's Jimmy going? This may work. This may work. Fuck. Please can I use my right hand? Please can I use my right hand? Fuck. So I need to click on this and go like this. And go like this. Trust me. Shadows on that now, cool. Way here. Oh, look at that, perfect. Bring his tire back. I'm sorry, Jimmy, I'm nipping and tucking. Oh, bring his helmet back. There we go. Okay, that will be fine because this is taking ages. Up, Shift E. Nope. Shift E. Nope. Shift. Fuck. E. Yeah, cool. Let's grade it. Let's grade it. Nice hot day. Chuck a bit of clarity in there. Dehaze. Chuck blacks down a little bit. Jimmy, you're now in the Swiss Alps. Save it. Save it. PSD. Save. Sorted. Okay, who we got? Lewis Gutteridge. Gutteridge? I'm sorry. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna put him back to normal. Like, he's doing a flip right now. Shall I just put him in the grass? Yeah, I'll do that. And let's just put him on the grass just here. If we go like this. And this white. Oh, this may work. This may work. Heck. How the am I gonna get? Okay, we need to get him out of the sky first. You layer. And actually, we'll move him into the grass. Go onto here. Yeah, we'll move him around here. Do it here as well. And if we make a really small brush and just go, right, there's grass going over the wheel. Special effects with Alex. Yeah. Now he's riding up the hill. Not gonna lie, I'm happy with that. Doesn't even need a grade, it's perfect. Let's save that. Next one. Okay, let's have a little look-see. We've got a motocross bike. Another motocross bike, Land Rover. Let's go for the Land Rover. And this is, I'll put all their Instagram tags underneath. This is Sliljima. I'm sorry for that. I just literally murdered your name. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Silja. Fuck it, I'll Google it. Okay, so this one, let's build some shadows. Should we put it on the moon? Yeah, let's put it on the moon. Nope. Let's put it in the desert. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Let's unlock this. My left hand is cramping so hard. Oh. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Cool. Why am I doing this with my left hand? I don't know. Maybe bigger. 30, come on, yes. Delete. All right, fill with black. What I should have done was done this on a green screen, so then you could take me and put me in different places, because I'm making some stupid faces. All right, no one needs an aerial. We'll just take that out. Take that air out. Yeah, yep, cool. Yeah, perfect. No one needs that. Line up the floor. Let's map that out. I might just leave it like that for pure comedic effect. I literally might just leave it like that and just apologise. Just profusely apologise. I'll come back to this with my right hand and do it properly, I promise. save. Oh, what am I meant to do with that? Oh, what am I meant to do with that? Have you seen, I've given up hope on doing this, seriously. It's not working out. I'm trying so hard. Let's see if we can. Why have I chose things that I have to mask out? I have to mask out every single one. Why don't I just edit them nicely, like a nice person? Put her up here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, just add a bit of, add a little bit of orange, a little bit of pink in there, a little bit more yellow. Perfect. Oh, sweet Jesus. So we got a Christmas tree, we got a Land Rover, we got, Jimmy's isn't actually that bad, to be honest. Got bills that, I'm not gonna lie mate, I nailed that. Nailed it. And then we got this guy's. So he done this really impressive flip, but I was like, nope, you're riding on the ground. So out of that 5, to be honest, I've done them all very well. To think I'm really good on Photoshop, and I've just murdered every single one of them. But yeah, should I do another one of these? I think I should, but with my right hand. No, actually, with like a mouse or something. Or like upside down. Yeah, I think. But yeah, that's it from me. So back to Office Alex in the studio. That went okay. Could have been a bit better, but my left hand isn't too great, I guess. I think we should do another one of these, but like in a few months' time, but not left-handed, maybe like upside down or something like that. Always a little twist on it, because I can see on YouTubers, they're always doing, I edit my subscribers' photos. Just put a little twist on it. So if you chuck in the comments below how you want me to edit them, I might have to do it with a mouse, or a really old school laser mouse, or a ball mouse. Something obscure like that, or even on an iPad, or on a, what are those called? The Amazon Ink things. That'd be funny. Or on Microsoft Paint. I'll buy a laptop, get Microsoft Paint, and I'll edit your photos on Microsoft Paint. How about that? Chuck that in the comments, see what you want. Yeah, I hope you have a good Sunday. Subscribe, like, chuck on the bell, I guess, and see you next Sunday. I'm Alex, you've been the audience. Deuces.